Hey guys, tell me what is one thing जो तुम्हें जान से भी ज़्यादा प्यारी है? I know, I know it's your sneakers, right? Well, it's the same for me. And I know it breaks our heart when we see a brand new pair of shoes get dirty. So if you want to know how you can take care of your sneakers in the best possible way, then this video is just for you. So let's kick things off with some general tips. First and foremost, shoes hate moisture. It's important to keep them away from anything damp or wet, as moisture can lead to bacterial growth and damage the shoe material. To keep them moisture free, you can use silica pouches or gels. A handy trick is to stuff your shoes with newspapers, which will help absorb any moisture. Just remember to change the newspapers every week so you can keep your soles happy and dry. And now, the most undervalued part of our shoes, your soles. When it comes to the soles of your shoes, they are the foundation of a great pair. To keep them clean and tidy, you can tap your shoes outside to shake off any loose dust. Next, you can also choose to brush to gently remove dirt from the soles. For those hard to reach grooves, a dry paintbrush can work wonders in getting rid of any lingering dirt. By incorporating these simple steps in your routine, you can ensure that your shoes stay in top-notch condition for longer durations, giving you the most stylish adventures together. So guys, I got this amazing shoe care kit from Amazon and it has changed my life. You can check it out too. And now, let me tell you how you can take care of these super cool white shoes. We all know that white sneakers are a timeless style statement. But let's be honest, keeping them clean and bright can sometimes be a challenge. Don't worry though. I have got some nifty tips to help you keep your white sneaker shoes and soles looking fresh and fabulous. When it comes to removing stubborn stains from your white sneakers, a clean magic eraser can be your secret weapon. Just like that tie-dye. Chalk gaye. You can put in a mixture of dishwashing soap in a bucket and gently wipe away those pesky stains. Watch as your sneakers regain their shiny new look, ready to turn heads wherever you go. Now, let's talk about bringing back the bright shine to your old white sneakers. With a simple homemade paste, you can work wonders. Mix hydrogen peroxide and baking soda to create a paste, then grab a toothbrush and start scrubbing that paste all over your shoe. Be patient and let the magic unfold. Before you know it, you will have a pair of sneakers that gleam like they are fresh out of the box. While cleaning is essential, maintaining the natural shape and texture of your shoes is equally important. When you're not wearing your shoes, give them some love by placing a shoe tree inside. This handy accessory helps to preserve the shape of your shoes and prevents them from getting all wrinkled up. Opt for shedder shoe trees if you want an extra dose of moisture absorption. And now, let me give you some general tips for cleaning sneakers. See guys, I understand that sometimes you are in a rush and don't have so much time to clean your beloved kicks. That's why I've got you covered with some quick and easy tips to clean your sneakers in no time. Step 1. You can start by removing visible dirt. You can use a clean towel or toothbrush or simply use your hand to wipe away dirt and debris from the surface of your shoe. Step 2. Now, it's time to give those soles a little attention. Use a wet towel or hose to rinse off the bottoms of your shoes. Step 3. For any stubborn stains or marks, it's best to spot clean them right away. If you come across a noticeable stain, quickly blot it with a mixture of soap and water. Remember, a little bit of regular care goes a long way in keeping your kicks looking their best. And now that we know how to keep our shoes clean and spot free, I'm going to tell you quick hacks that come in handy while dealing with shoe care. Firstly, remove odor with orange peels. Just place orange peels in your shoes overnight to absorb moisture and eliminate odor. Now to make your shoes slip resistant, use sandpaper to roughen the smooth outsole of your shoes. And if you want to remove creases, insert a shoe tree or tightly rolled socks inside your shoes when they are not being worn to maintain their shape and prevent creasing. Lastly, the monsoons are here, and if your shoes get wet, dry them with crumpled newspaper to absorb moisture without damaging the shoes. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be able to freshen up the shoes, improve their grip, maintain their shape, loosen tight shoes and dry them efficiently. So guys, taking care of your sneakers is essential to maintain their appearance, functionality and longevity. Happy sneaker care! Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.